evening, students. We're going to start another new topic, and that is the stomata, which is an important part to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Life process and the stomata forms a very important part in it. So the question need to come to our mind first, what is stomata? So stomata are tiny or minute pores. What are they? They are tiny or minute pores present on the surface of the leaf. Now again, students, listen. There need to be a question. Which surface? The surface, this is a leaf. Leaf. This is a leaf. Leaf has two surfaces. This is the upper surface and there is another surface, that is the lower surface. Now, when the stomata remain present, both the surfaces. But number of stomata in the lower surface of the leaf are more than that of the upper surface. Now that need to be a question. Why? Because what you are finding, sun takes away the water from the plant in form of vapor. So those stomata, or if the stomata faces the sun, then all the water which are there in the plant moves out. Problem for the plant. So in the case of the plants that are around us has stomata in the lower surface of the leaf. So definitely you by this time came to know the function. So what is the function? Number one, stomata helps in the exchange of gases. First point. Number two, helps in transpiration. Exchange of gases means the leaves takes carbon dioxide to carry out photosynthesis, give out oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. Again, for respiration, plant take oxygen, give out carbon dioxide. So that is the exchange of gases through which that is done through stomata. Transpiration. So another question you need to know, what is transpiration? When I speak about transpiration, it is the loss of water from the plant body in form of vapor. So now let's go for the next part, that is the structure of the stomata. Stomata has many structure. It may be dumbbell, it may be rod shaped, many varies. But majority of the case it is having kidney shaped or bean shaped structure like this. Kidney shaped or bean shaped structure. Now there are other, I am leveling all the name one by one. So you are finding number of names here. First, this is the stomata. I will show you with the help of blue color. You see here? Can you see? Blue color I have given here. Blue color I have given. This one is stomata. This one is stomata. Surrounding the stomata are two gourd cells. These two are called the gourd cells. Now surrounding the gourd cells, these are, many cells are there. These are called subsidiary cells. S-U-B-S-I, subsidiary, D-I-A-R-Y, subsidiary cells. So, guard cells are 2, subsidiary cells are many. Along with that, we are finding another thing here. In the guard cells, there is the occurrence of chloroplast. Can you get it? These are called chloroplast. It has chlorophyll. So when I speak about chloroplast, it has chlorophyll, guard cell has chlorophyll. One thing is very clear, that it undergo the photosynthesis. Now, along with that, students, another important thing remains, that is the opening and closing of stomata. So here I am writing down opening and closing of stomata. This is the most important thing. Try to get it. Be very careful in knowing it. See. Now see, it has chloroplast. I told you earlier, to prepare food, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and there are also need of water. So what happens now? The water rushes inside from the subsidiary cell and neighboring cell, and when it enters the guard cell, what happens? The volume of it increases. It becomes turgid. When it becomes turgid, these guard cells are, can you get the diagram? See here, are pulled like this. It goes like that. This part increases volume because it pulls here and it is pulled. See, this one is pulled. So in that case, what happens? The stomata opens. Stomata, what happens to it? It opens. Opens. Now once the water moves out, then what happens? The guard cell has no longer water. It comes back to the original position and the stomata again closes. So opening and closing of stomata are due to a number of reasons. Keep in mind, but in your standard class 10, you keep in mind one thing, that it is due to water. Moment the water is taken by the, suppose I have drawn it here, I am showing you, this is a guard cell. This is another guard cells. It has taken water, water has rushed inside. Now what happened? This one will increase in volume. This one will increase in volume. This part moves. See this one? Can you find it? Stomata opens. This is opening, and moment the water again moves out, it again comes back to original position. This stomata closes. So these are the things we are finding in the case of the stomata. We have to keep in mind some of the things that are related with it. First thing is that, what do you mean by stomata? What are the functions of stomata? Which surface of the leaves you are finding more number of stomata? Then, what is the function of chloroplast present in the guard cells? Then, how the opening and closing of stomata takes place. So, this from the stomata, we will be going for the more topic in the coming videos. Thank you.